moment. Help me believe that what I could be, I know that I am. Show me the stairway I have to climb. Lord, for my sake, help me to take one day at a time. One day at a time. Sweet Jesus, that's all I am asking from you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. But yesterday's gone. Tomorrow will never be mine. Lord, help me today. Show me the way, one day at a time. Do you remember when you walked on a man? Well, Jesus, you know, if you looked in below, it's worse than that. Pushing and shivering, ground and look by. So for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time.